Welcome friends. In this video we shall learn how to find the range and domain of a real valued functions. These are two real valued functions and we have to find the range and domain of these two functions. So let us start with part 1. In part 1 we are given function fx is equals to negative mod x, and we know that this modulus function, this mod x, is defined for any real number. First of all we should write fx is defined for all real values, therefore domain of this function f is set of real numbers. And as far as the range of this function is concerned, if we put any positive or negative value, suppose we put 0 here, then we get 0, right? We put positive or negative values, then we get negative value because there is negative sign before this mod x. So the range will be 0 to negative infinity and 0 is included. So this is the range of the function f. And now we shall move to the second part, and in second part we are given a function fx equals to 1 over 3 minus sine 5x, and we have to find the domain and the range of this function. So let us see how to do it. We know that the value of a sine function is between -1 to +1 for all x belongs to real numbers. And if we multiply all this sign, then it will be -1 sine 5x to +1. And if we add 3 here, we get 3 minus sine 5x is less than equals to 1 plus 3, and here is -1 plus 3. Then it will be 3 minus sine 5x is greater than equals to 2 but less than equals to 4. But we know that this value is never will equal to 0. 3 minus sine 5x never be equals to 0 for any x belongs to real number. Therefore the domain of the function f is equals to set of real numbers. And now we shall find the range of the given function. We have calculated that 3 minus sine 5x is less than equals to 4 but greater than equals to 2, and we can reverse all these values like this, that 1 over 2 is we can write here, and 1 over 4 we can write here, and here we can write 1 over 3 minus sine 5x. These signs will be reversed. So we can write it as that fx is greater than equals to 1 over 4 but less than equal to 1 over 2. So the range of the function is 1 over 2 to 1 over 4. So this is the solution of the question. Thank you.